Hi students, remember yesterday we learned that when we're adding a single digit number like this 4 to a 9, that with a slight rearrangement of these groups we can turn the 9 into a 10 and then use our 10 rule to add. So I can imagine quickly moving one bird over to this group, making this 9 turn into this 10 up here. And then I would have one less in this group over here, which means the 4 would become a 3. And I can quickly see that 10 plus 3 equals 13, which is the same thing as 9 plus 4. You're going to have more practice with that today by working on this flip chart that we did together in class yesterday. So let me remind you what we did. Here we have 5 plus 9. First we're going to solve the problem without using the 10 strategy. So I'd start by filling in the 10 frames. I'm going to put 5 snowmen over here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then down below I'm going to put 9 snowmen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I'm just clicking on these and dragging them over. Okay? To add these up, I like to take the biggest number, 9, and count up 5 more. So I'm going to start with 9 and say 9, and then count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I can pull my answer up by just clicking on these cards and dragging them here. So I have 9 plus 5 equals 14. Now let's rearrange the snowman so I can make that 9 a 10, and I can move cards to show how the problem changes. So up here I'm going to drag one of these snowmen from the 5 group down here to complete this 10 frame. And I can see that my 5 changed into a 4 because I moved one into the other group. And I can see that I have 10 down here. Now I haven't changed the total number of snowmen, I just sort of rearranged them. I'm going to start with 10, add 4 more, and I can quickly see that that's 14 again. I can slide this bar down here to check my answers. I see 14, 14, 14, so I know I've done it correctly. I'm going to click on the next button and show you. You have a few more problems just like this. I've included a couple of them. When you're all done though, you'll get to the very last page. It will remind you that you need to complete the activity by closing the flip chart and getting back onto My Big Campus. I hope you guys have fun with this.